News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afi tu American share e Facebook odo so a na DLFM 106.9 na kase bono yamfa emu nkyeremu nyina da na yamfa ensemo. Yansha kase bona se FM Free Acting Chief Executive Officer Edema Ghana Cocoa Board. Ayam wofase ane den de Dr. Randy Anate Abe edensem edatudwa echiremu sem. Omaya timu sese no indigenous licensed buying companies. Charity a can say LBCS. One ye inyumaku amuto koko ewo mayim. Na ochiremu a companies ahudu no eguo wamu nisika nisanti wamu hiamu aye pa. Dr. Randy Abe kase mo ne wo chiremu sem. Afi we mo emfimpim mienu ene aduonu nom ene emfimpim mienu ne aduonu nsia meche 2025 ene 2026 club eye season no enya ade a Ghana Cocoa Board ekwakwaba bosia ede frem no ne abeto koko nti eba ne sa na nnwuma hodom to koko ma Ghana mu no empempi no na yade a Ghana Cocoa Board na diska koma no mbomade ade to koko ne nti no akoba ne sei no Cocoa Board nso enya sika nto koko ni nti obesre said ya yi de mochwani o man Ghana sika krabia Bank of Ghana momwa wonom na enyuma kom to koko ni nya sika na wonom fa to koko no wakasa kiremu sem enam se Ghana Cocoa Board enko babo sem to koko na beboa pa ma Ghana Cocoa Board no etma nya sika abobre se bo se na mokọbọ na hunsi ho na modu ye pa na mpenifo atena se hunu se eka bi ada ho no se beboa no matuma twaka ne ntina afi no wonom kwankọ babo sia e ma beto man Ghana Cocoa ndo wakasa kiremu sem sebe ye beboa na Ghana Cocoa Board enya sika de ato eye koko ni ntina osra da sem Bank of Ghana Wanom cash reserve ratio policy ne moa no munya sika bi na momfa ma Ghana Cocoa Board na omunya bi na momfa ma Ghana adwumakom to koko ma Ghana ne moe na koko na moto no ne man kon kan emfa ma wo na akuafo no sika na wonom emfa ngo botom Dr. Abika sa na o kire mi se o wani sum se ensema wa kan Ghana Cocoa Board beboa na omanya sika de to koko na ntesa de afi we no.
There's something happening with the LBCs, especially the indigenous ones, which has to do with the fact that we are not doing the syndicated loan.
Yeah.
Because you know the LBCs...
And you do it this year,
no,
you do it next year.
We are not doing 25, 26. Okay. 26, 27, I don't know.
Okay.
But for 25, 26, we are not.
Raising money locally?
Is the reason why... No, we're still doing the 60-40 with the buyers.
Oh, okay.
So it's the reason why I went to Europe and North America to meet the buyers and all that. Now, under the syndicated loan, Cocoa Board creates what he calls the seed money. And this seed money is what is given to the LBCs to go and purchase the bean. But 24-25, no syndicated loan, so no seed fund. What we've realized is that although it is saving Cocoa Board in terms of the financing cost, and mind you, because of where the prices are today, if we were to go for a syndicated loan, Cocoa Board will be looking at maybe 3 billion or 3.5 billion. And because of the nature of our finances, you even have banks asking for 8% to 10% on a dollar. You understand what I'm saying? So now the indigenous LBCs are unable to operate because there's no seed money. You know, so one of the things we've done is to engage the central bank. And they asked for a follow-up letter. I've done that. Because what I then told the central bank when we engaged them was that, look, you have the cash reserve ratio, where all the banks put 25% of their deposits at the central bank. It sits there idle, not doing anything. Now we have a critical industry, the indigenous LBCs dying off. Can we look at apportioning 2% or 3% of this cash reserve ratio just to support indigenous banks, indigenous LBCs? And we can restrict it to cocoa purchases, just to ensure that the banks also don't go using it for angwa and tin tomatoes and all those things. So this is one of the discussions that we had with the central bank, and we believe that if there's a positive response, it will be able to help, especially the indigenous LBCs. Otherwise, if we continue with this financing model, I fear that most of them might go extinct.
Ani awoti acting chief executive officer at the Ghana Cocoa Board, the day and the Dr. Randy Abe.
Yentoa Kasiaboni swear na Minerals Commission for Acho Mujuma Sema Mudi a blue water gas by 453 call a metropolitan municipal any district assemblies a year and so our western region Sanya Bayon Betimi Abomadiano Mabo in Sio any of Matina home by Edia Free Galamsa Elcoso Ewo Honum no Chema ye 453 or Muyi Free 2000 or Mobo Modia and Mom wanted to ye Ewa Ghana Nevia or Muye Ewo for you so so many that also a year do nine Ewon Fimpimi no near do no nimu as I said your mobile Modia any Ghana Navy any Ghana Police Service for a bomb at Smiadi Juma Ewo Manimu. Na ye wukuada eye kotonima bosom ni de toso aduonu ba ko won fimpi mienu ani aduonu num nimu e wa abra na omo ne nsapchofo etwetwe nkomo ana ye Western Regional Director e de eye gas by 230 e ko Lembele district nim ana di tudwa na ochie mu se eye ade atu 326 gas de omabomodin ade omakoye MMDA sa eno wo man mu sa ne be yo betimi aboa na galamse no ometimi esi anokwan na ye Western Regional Director yi eye Francis Annabel adi to dwa no de to eyetememfo nim say omomomode ano omombo a eye blue water gas for no sane be adwumadi omoba bedi no ometimi adi ne soronko so na timi akoye sane omopɛ ne pepepe sanso anadi to dwa no ochemu say nya omonkwa na eba bedi dwuma na emomo ne Ghana police for ana eba bedi dwuma
groundwater no ye nso on ma asase na se obotan na oda asase ni mu no asase no ya ye wo nani no no so nsu na asase ni mu enti de ye asase nani bia no e de oil diesel e de gu asase nani a obamen akwa asase ni mu okugu da sa nsu na oda asase na na ye fa na groundwater ni mu ya ne rivers ni na kameka sa community na no e bi ko asase na se enti sa wo to borehole there's 200 meters, another even 150 meters, 100 meters deep. Krana. In Suda was as Nimunina tree, a borehole nim, and a bulletin. Inti say, Kamikas do assassinima. In Suna, all tree babula nimuna, our bono, a bula 200 meters deep, and 150 meters deep. No, Kamikas in Minimo, Adwoa, Kamikas no was as Nimina or Fundable bulletin, in also you ma about petrol binya for the blue water gas no amon kokko amon kwayen community my community gas amon community to community baby illegal man will be no amon kokko say the amoya no amon dai
Eniya wuti ye Western Regional Director eye Francis Annabel no Director the Minerals Commission na nwachi anampanifo bi omoso wo ho ede nsem atudwa na omuche mu se aban emomodin aso betimi atwitwa nneema bi so tese license omode mankrofo bi se na ebe ya eye nsuo ene omatena ye no muntimi enya kwanya no ense no
GM set agenda no in terms of Dancy. GM akwaya jemkwa ama na wo share point to say Dancy no why ready say ampa oba abetwa no afu ho. This year share programs are the mineral minister honorable Amabua. Look at this water guard program you dey ayade ebeboa ebema yetumi hu illegal manners no yetumi yi mo the system ntem say na buy proper for no be home so omudimra so na Ghana so nya sika good money no enti this policies no share no and I say ya no mo twem no omo ntpenya side bi da but DM owo alusade hu no o de send me nyina agupam e pese stop nsuomu money sabi any problems in our mind enti that is the reason I make back and say yes DM or ajonkwa my money sector no enti ne be ye de say aban be ye ye so ye be tachi ama na kodu so say aban krata bi ye so de momo me momo o mo bia krata ama omo masase no so in the first place ena ne be ma oman ni mu ye timamufo ne ho bepe ye no ne say on declare say ye panka on declare state of emergency na ye sanitize system no ye sanitize system ni wi na fi na ye san regularize we no say omo be ya e be boa ama nyema no aye kama
Eniya uti ye mpanifo bi omonso ewa Western region ana omonso eka etre omadwen edefa eye blue water gas a mo bebo eye omatena ye ho ban
Enta mo kwa ko bom yetu galamse na se won yo ya da o mase o nyere mo ho badwumaden na Ghana ye bre dodo sika yenkwa ya nim na ye nyira nim se yankopɔ ya adoma ye mofra na wanom eco school basic education certificate examination mofra akwatena de asua de sa form 3 o momana so so mbe wie school nti yankopɔ ya adoma kina da ukuada e mofra na betena se na wanom etimi akwa kwatwe nsɔhwɛ na West African Examination Council for na hwɛ nsɔhwɛ no twere so wanom ekyire mu sɛ afe no mmɔfra mo kwatwe nsɔhwɛ no ɔmodɔso ye pa ene aban schools ene ankrankra schools ni nyina ba kwatwe mi yankopɔ yɛ adom a ɛkyena wuku ada ɛbɛyɛ yɛ homa bo someda taso du baako mfimpim mienu ene ɛdenum ankwara bɛkyerɛ nsɔhwɛ no firi akɔpem bosoma yɛ mu da taso edu nwɔtwe mfimpim mienu ne aduonu endum na nkrata council de ba bonten endrada ekyire mi sɛ wayɛ kefo sɛ yɛn kan kyerɛ Ghana for sɛ mmɔfra mo kwatwe nsɔhwɛ no nyina no ɛyɛ mpem ensia ne miɛnsa ahom ɛkyiripɔ aha miɛnsa ɛne aduonu nwɔtwe ɛyɛ 6,000 and ɛyɛ 603,328 na mo kwatwe nsɔhwɛ no mo kyerɛ mu sɛ emu maako empem mienu ene aduokron son etiripɔ aha mienu ne aduonum 297,250 wanom yɛ mema ena 306,078 ɛyɛ ma ena mo kwatwe school bibia yɛ kama pa momɛn yatimi akwenu mo kyerɛ mu sɛ mmea hodo amafa kwatwe nsɔhwɛ no ɛyɛ 2,390 ɛyɛ 5 ene mmea schools ahodo a wonom nyina da etimi ekwakotwe nsɔhwɛ ni bi ɛwɔ afi mu na kanze ni kyerɛ mu sɛ candidate a kwakotwe nsɔhwɛ no emu maako apem ahansia ene adiosia baako 1,661 ɛyɛ private schools candidate a wonom kwakotwe nsɔhwɛ mu kyerɛ mu sɛ emu mema no yɛ hanwɔtwe ene aduonum nwɔtwe 858 ene mu man nso eye aha nwɔtwe ene miensa 803 female students na fiwe no moye private schools for candidate mo kwakotwe nso mo chirim sa fiwe no embe the passa no manam na waya company for ba man yese eye mmea hodo a eye centers a mo betwe nsonhwe no maga na mu nyina no mo chirim se eye mpem mienu aha mienu ene aduasanson 2,237 centers across the country munya betra se no matwere nsonhwe bia mu kyerem se mbe da passa no manam na director general Edema Ghana Education Service kwantwere popi no na hwe enwomasua so o my Ghana m na den professor Kofi Davis wo kyerem se wo mani hyepa bia gwa be boa pama de suafo no nso kwa kwatwe ne makon kente mu nim lasna emna ne bibia ntodi no mo wawesemu se emofo no bedi nkunim wo nsonhwe no etwere
for the 2025 Basic Education Certificate Examination to commence from Wednesday 11 June to Wednesday 18th June 2025. Timetable for the 2025 BEC examinations has already been distributed to all schools. All examination materials have also been distributed to metropolitan and district education offices across the country. 2 subjects will be taken in a day, one in the morning at 9 a.m. and one in the afternoon at 1 p.m. In all, 11 subjects will be examined, and each candidate will take an average of 9 subjects, including 7 common core courses, which are English language, mathematics, science, Ghanaian language, social studies, religious and moral education, creative arts and design, and career technology.
And actually no, and Dr. Davis and the Skasemo, and I was saying essay. Yan sign Chantra Ghana for you say. I feel as rather some of them got to BC, no mom whom I dance on bedding she so. I think so. Mamma the money coat to a VC aquaque. Say, emofra ne kyerɛ nsɔhwɛ na ɔmo wiem na krono bonko so no mekyerɛ invigilators no kyerɛ mo sɛ mo mani na wafiri sɛ wa obedi agro no wɔn bɛkyew do akotu afiase na kyerɛ hwɛ ade a wapin ho.
We need the cooperation of all stakeholders to ensure that examination malpractice of all forms are reduced to the barest minimum or eliminated. Why? Because examination malpractice does not help the system to accurately measure the performance of the student. Once students are cheating their way through, it's difficult to ascertain how well our education system is performing. So we are appealing with all to support us fight examination malpractice. Invigilators and supervisors who are caught aiding exams malpractice will be severely punished. I repeat, invigilators and supervisors who are caught aiding any form of exams malpractice will be severely punished. And I must say that it might cost them their job because we want good role models. I wish to commend all head teachers, parents who have contributed in preparing the students for the examination.
DLFM 106.9.
I will advise the students to put in their best to come out with flying colors. I will advise them not to rely or depend on APO or external support. That might not come, and that will not help them. We don't want students who have excelled by cheating their way through.
Any a would a quenchre for penny or no, and a da enumesiano ewo or my Ghanam. Metre, the Director General of the Ghana Education Service, Professor N.A. Kofi Davis, Nene NLT.
Yantua kase bone so na ochima ni fahin edema achimabu akwa traditional council ewe poemantemu da Sibre Dr. Chum Ampofo tosumienu de abeto awofo nyina nim se omomomode anomonya krado se eye bi si so he no momofra ne kotro no ehun sunsanso ebeba bia no betimi agye atum no chema unhia sa awofo beye wo aye wa abofra na ya de sanse eye nso he no kotro no wa mo ne homodin ewom anase school na opese wo nya no enya dia otimi enya yesanse Nyankopon bo nipa nankasa no obo modia de eya adomachede bia de shabofra bi mu ntimpenu eya amawofo na so mo hu ni se obia ne de nti so wabofra na mbo ne homode ewo bi si nso hwanima e ma ne nya oya na emu mbomodia na ka ne ho na chereche no se ne ebe yo betimi agina ne na so da achi bi na dodro na eka so mo omusuansa no dwuma na nya de omunimade na emu no kura bia enim esan so mo omuyensa no dwuma no kura ewo sika e de se omo a omo tetetete office ni ade nti ochema omo momodia sense so hwane ba na se ne ba no ambo ne homodin a obetimi akyerɛkyerɛ no ne wahu nie Nyakopɔn ede ma no se ne be obetimi aboa no na da achi bi no obetimi agina ne naso
se na me kan no me anya adom na omar anaze oba entimi entwa alko secondary school first class secondary school akoka and me man have it modia first second tier school or third tier na educational standard there and because Ghana education service more things teachers and our lecturers in our na up to standard our secondary schools now as I will follow sometimes there were other training schools who are qualified to any of these SHS educational school and as a technical schools and as a other creative media and as a creative arts schools maybe I will now develop God-given talent and actually everything about so that we are saying Dudona said the Ukraine Sunday Jumana and said also opportunities now opportunities of finance and we training is a vocation and as a technical and as a creative media and creative arts skill yeah and wow so talents as a common man word now do for us they do on science maths English be in every every secondary school public one as secondary school here training share TVETs vocational schools they are available.
Enwechi ana Dr. Chum Ampofo tosumienu esade to mufrana nim so momomodian no mommo omakomanto omoyam no momomontinas no munsia de se ne beye nso he no omokotro no ometimi achiro ni ye emehu bia embowom esanse ni omokwa akotro no ye de omachechefo eche omo classroom ne no ana omokwa akoto honom nso munye ehu bia emfa emfromumu
Yami adoma BC exams moka control Wednesday eta uchi Enquires and Nyansa Momo again Momo Nyansa Kesia said the only their drones on social a past na said I went to
DLFM
for Kesia and where they said I'm going to basic education certificate examination in Naya to be every time I'm back to when you are the other day, the old woman self prepare enough issue idea, Papa, Mammy, or who catches it, Conapusia and Ocean idea. Every go ahead and Papa Baba to the measures of your problem. Many times, they never problem, mass every day, is so good equation every day. Take for example, I can say normal test be an answer, midterm test be an answer. You know, this is say any idea be a set column every extra be.
Ne krakra mu anosaden to eye emba omokwa kwatro bi si so hene se hwe no mankoye niema bi a eye akire no ebekwa kwafa mprenwanyi nsem bia ede aba momma omani enkomade suane so omonko no mokotro so hwe no momre afie omonkoye niema basa da chi bi no ebe ha wom
And prepare teen pregnancy idea NGOs do about from positive periods.
DLFM 106.9.
More start to say demonstrating more sanitary parts now. And this is a period here. We are not going to school, as soon as school can we tribes, of course, apply the way we want to understand certain things about certain but sometimes we are the first time of or cancer experience maybe in facts pregnancy until the truth to say but it's not getting about very mobile phones fact among Tina among the catcher now
DLFM.
Eni ya uti ye da sebre Dr. Chum ampo for tosumienu ono ye ochiman ni fahene ewe ye achimabu akwa traditional council ewe prayer mantemu na kasiebo ye nsem troni eye konti hin kofi obo ene di amani boy ebesomye
yantu akasiebo no sire nkopie mo ewa asante matenum na sebe ye beboa na mmofra wonom eye ahusiesie na wonom akwatwere emfimpe mienu ne aduonum basic education certificate examination aye twanitia eka ne se BEC nsohwe ne bieni nti assembly member edema akwase so eye kumpese electoral area onumnyamfo Steven insiakase abon homode agya ne naso etime ede mathematical science bebro apem agwakoma dusuafo a wanom ewo akwase so kumpese DA Junior High School afenso yankuma se RC Basic School ena Unique International School a eno no nyina da ewo kwase so mpotem honom na nunyamfo akirem sem de enti a otu sana ma we nyina ne sem edum pempenso bi a abatan bi honom anaka pre emontema no wanom ejidama etusre ne senti sabe sabofra bi so onimde enimade adachen empenifo beboa na ne homasua akonkane a enyafumusuo nti ena oba ne homodin bi so beboa na mofra wanom ewo ne pesua so no so etumenya nimde ma pan viso magan dachen ene de kankro no ejina homasua so onimnyamfo emra ode nima wei ede ma mofra no ekonkane yi pa mbodi data ena school ni mpenifo ene je sende adusuafo nyina kwehie mo nya sem kuma akra ene wo kire mi sem o strada sem mofra yi mom homoden sei enso ya na mko omkwa kwatwe no omonyi hu mfanto nkyɛn omonyira mo hu kwatwe nso hwɛ ne kama na afensu mo famba mo homaden aji ene 6 7 8 9 saa kro no baba no homaden mo no ankasa boa de sika ene akade abo mo nso matumi ato school so ɔkyerɛ mu a emafra mo nye ho pa no nyamfo taw machi sɛ obɛboa na homasua akonkan empotem honom
this year students no say nyankopon ya adom na obi timi tworo na odi animonyam ebre mbese electoral area every grade 6 to grade 10 11 6 8 9 10 I mean the bruise wo school anya wa ofo nkwa na befa wo school hoka ebe hwe se ekwan ya befa so ene wa ofo be kan bom na omatimi apia mo okọ anim ewo addition yenso na mo to be was you to me ebebo the education ya dia ebre eno ne kura Ghana sese kwase mo ne ankola no bi ho no ma for no do stage bi say ya akwan kro be paso akola no be paso be tro ne so we na wi no ya na ensem bebre I must set into to me e burden and no man and problems in the financial aspect of one side and a dozen be play and to do say I also was a factory also now yet say our phone a bless of Kakra the bay a day and we can't blame and I'm more multi-natural so when I tried it and couldn't be a bread electria. The group say I idea we can say a woman but any because I in a sad stage of film education life when I'm say as a free hand and do say I was already be already I did a couple of people so betcha at me a pass free this basic level now it's me and now so to me first met me encourage additional phone say every say no idea be any will be in influence on wanting to go transfer and intra and found Ghana and Eritrea. I'm a country this new administration government and it's a compulsory Eritrea and young pond. Previous administration President Akufo-Addo and Apamfo more area and more facilities better facilities may be almost 50% complete but it's rare abuying some buyer no dino that is one more I was say it be a commission you come but you who the abuying or buyer no yeah
any awoti ye uko piemom ewo akwesi so kumpese electoral area na ono eneye wonom assemblyman ne den edonim nyamfo Steven insia kese ena wote ne kan na no achi ena mna achade ne kwaso no ocheche ne ogina nimu eje achade no edema school no ne den edemester chei Elisha no ochirem so onim nyamfo ade a wo yankopon hirawo onya wo kese pa na ma wunyini nche every say nya bredi kan ni afi atwa mu ye bi entianko bon kwaso ama adom ne usika sem nya kese be beboa na afi ade ani mu nso watimi aye bio ochirem a edu bia bia school for no titiriw na chechefo de umitiri beto na eden ni senti osre se onabo ne NGO fo nkasa na omka bia wum nyina na bia chechefo de umbeto no mwa se be ya chechefo ne ba wonom ensa wo machi na homaso be kon kanen ewa akwasi so ene potem
aka we ka jo na bodi kan ye de nyamiase ewa akwanya odi amaye ama onabo nsia ka system etimi ahye no nyamse de ma city akwanya esha nam sikasema ya na ofomu ntimo friend be ya no ntimo nto ma city nti base ye yama skwa na sense ntimo do adia na ye dia ma no atona bon so ba ye no from last year and started say jumedi last batch of the people kama and on Sunday bia brem ti be kan say yakubon hwa no no mo na kuma ko sere be ya de bia no benya bi dia bre and ade ba kon say honorable we literate into wonim and no me fa education nti na bibia fa education on there omomodia say obo amane ko so chefo ye ho edikan teachers bangalo you say teachers mo na ba bibia be da na e demo mo nti basara bo se no san ko nti enka ebe kasa cho na bo se bia onya akonya na mutimi NGO for be keeping in touch and no go make come say be many teachers bangalo bi amai and be computer room and also idea here be power more na nkra no about theory aspect na nkra na idea but practical so and am say mutimi got in lab how me ko akako type no many thing basana no mo ho chiro mu bi
eni awoti ye ayo chechire ni ono enso echire ade ewa kwasi so kumpese eye electoral area honom aha ne den ade Mr. Chei Elisha na ate ne kan kwakura mo no ena desuafo no so kire mu se ne onabo ye nya udeni wiye bue de wa ye nyame nhira o no ma unya na moroso na frese o momfa fo kwakotwire bi ni nso watumi abre wo no momwa
na ya ona wuste ni ya kesi ya ma ye ni so pi eda na sinema set o dia ba reche DLFM yetimi ade wona mwase bisenye ni panya ne be ye de wa ya ma ye eda na sipi baby onya skani free ya nyakopon shawo mama no ye sister
bia waka chense nyame hira no no ma na dwuma nkoso na da na busia fo endi mfaso a wadi abu
DLFM 106.9
convention ma
acha mister nyame hira no mama na dwuma nkoso papa ya wa dare di ate nyakopon tinu kwenda mo Islam.
Don't know the Islam. There's a massacre. So you're the massacre. Now I am a sense of the body. So you're the Islam. Islam. So today it's made a chance.
Ani a wote ye eya disuafo a wano meko school ewo akwasi so kumpese eye electoral area honom ena wote so mde aboso bakase pa edema odiminyamfo 7 insia kese ewo achede a ode ekoma wonom no eho sika yentu aswe
Yentua kasiebone so na enkanim na hyebedwani edema Saint Central eye Kennedy Japan insema tudwa echemu se eye MPP amanyoko ndese ma wakonya na so wa mbo homodin anya ade omesa ma wakonya ni bio ni titiri ni so mbe yu se be ye frankatu ni fama eye amanyoko no no di nsemwe etudwa wa bra okoye mampon hinda sibro se ebonsu na yase no ne eye amanyoko na chitaifuo ni bi ekasa ana ochire ma eye omampani dada John ejekum kufo eni omampani dada na nado danko ekufu ado esa modin bo mo betena akonya no so mo boye nti ana mo samo mo akonya foforo mo mutimi esa atena akonya no so bio na emomu de onim si ama wakonya no te se eye Professor Albert Edubu ahia amoma na akonya no na emomu eba eye 1992 abato no ekoso no enya omutimi eyi ni bio sanse akwanya na omde maano no wa mbone homodin
mo be yamadum na ebinim ka se mame mamo abakosem kakra bi onim obi a ode MPP edi anim Abrana Rollins ewo ha obi entimi nkasa eye Professor Dubuahin ono your friend culture of silence
DLFM 106.9
obi Esro Rollins Dubuahin enenya akukuduro Estani up to Rollins. Till 1992, that the Adubuahin koi. Onu kura no okokuma ye no. Okoya ni modern mo answer ni no. Ya mfana nkobiem. Obi a mpeso aka no kura kire wa. Oduru wa osio. President Kufuor komienu, Akufo-Addo komiensa. Adubuahin wokosai. Okosai. Mesramo ene biaba ye ni afi. Mama ma ye ntoto. Ensamo a enye no kura egu yafem. Efe mesramo abakosem. Nientia President Kufuor yadini call second term ni say the first time or the only 4 months between 3 to 4 months and what the year campaign now vote President Kufuor nyaya within that 4 months no and yes and no ebesa de nako enunti and ye the President Kufuor esa call second term oko wini ye. There is a reason 4 months our year campaign the performance enunti ni esa de President Kufuor ekon ebiem oh ana Akufo-Addo comprensa Akufo-Addo call first one on your 49.3% when the respective court no into yanko ya hwe Akufo-Addo perform
ya uti ye eye Kennedy Japan
a compare kono no
no
senior man de me wa fa sekitu awi aya chense me chia no wai Ghana ni kasiabo no ye gina we sua kenka madwe nchire ni bi we every master planner junior kentampo na so hwe live na kasiabo no emu da pasa no manam Yimano Poku active DJ active DLFM ya mani boni ne no o cheze kasiabo ni mu da pasa no manam no wabiem ku ha Ghana fo nyina tie na Starboy no so hwe live ready free ahafumem airport no se kasiabo ni mu da papa na dem emu da hopa na master planner sensia me wa ha o matemedase na Richard Ahweso wa hwe live edi free Great Station DLFM Anes we biem kuha adehye mpotem ho nyina no kasiebo ne mu oda ho no mu nyina mutie kwa hwe sound system wa mount no ho no ma Ghana fo atwa ahia ho aba Ghana man ya menhia o se na enje kase nkoma sikapa dumso levi ena fi Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ehunsuo mponi wacha yeso ya da sisi ne adwumaden a obota yachi na me wafa ase we nsusu wo di free where life a difference awam total filling station no se ne din ne de na Kwame Opasco Newman o say dumso live ne de nka abanse san na adwan ka beboa o say abanse san na adwan ka beboa na pega so hwe ye ne ebu adwumaden ya dase pega ya dase pam na kofiansa ye bekọ no boa me wae na memfa wo da kese emfa me wofa ase na me nkomani mu kra na anim say de me wofa ase fo ne de manka ho asema menya asem ti we ye happy birthday enko emfa me wofa ase a ne den Edi Millicent Hansen dudua bonamla ne se oba afia wo ablekuma fan milk wo ho of pepper ye me wa fa ase fo de aya meto no bo asiesie mu oba na nim de dwase ahofe tomrosie ahofe na adwa wisi enti me wa fa ase a within the Millicent Hansen de do abomra ne say oba afia wo ablekuma fan milk ya me hye no nyokese ompeja mfra domo na onfa nkwa adumu afese se ne nhira no ebusi wei efri Emmanuel Opoku active dodo abonom na ne say DJ active oye DLFM mani boni ene o se yemfa woda kese wei na yemfa ema sika
na Kwadwo wenso kwa manana esi ojefo amo kubi we fi wa wo anti anti Christabel ana say happy birthday kese enkoma odo ye pa nyakopon enhira na onye wo kese na oma wunyi embra mbeye penipa enfem o man Ghana ene wabusuafo nyina onhira wo pa na nesi ojefo amo kubi.
All right, ikasi bono ye de si na emusemufuo no maize meber entry no ho ofe pa tomrosie ba ko wo fia no ahofe adwa no na se mu de mayen na wohu kase bono wa be fontenta no so Facebook na ye the nations MC bemma tentenga mowi ene ahofe adwa na ope wapre no hu abo amobi wo fia hai kofitela no ne nsa no adwuma na wohu se kase mu de hopa ne mu de hokroje nso a na ye DJ Sikapa senior technician on duty na akenkafo ye sinkomnya bese mo no me hune tia na me hofa ase ba so hune tia sentemu ede ameje so etakwade Kwadwo krom twa bego de hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene ehunsuo mpani me nkra moden so ye Alhaji Abdul Kasunte me ne me hofa ase ba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
osane homra ne
Dum Solevi
ye kwehwan na eba
na Adwoa Silky achire mu hima enfifi mu hima radio mu ya santua enkacha hima
ana afi
Michael Jackson
papa no ono otumi se yi achia kwofoma asan so regina na naso wa hunu one hwan na eba
sexy journalist
ana afi
Kwame Efu
ena eda ben
ena ye bnada
ombefra bibia wo mbe de pa enti wa wantie diala wane de mesa na wa ye ho pa enti ese radio no wa na adu sika ye den de otie no radio no ade ni sika ye den
ona de ni sika
be free si samre kwanya ne de bio na Adwoa sirikidia jasi fie ho na bi etum keke ba no biem na Ghana fo ni ntie de ye kwose ma munyina moniti a ade hye
give it to me